The availability of the classes at Firelands has been perfect for my schedule, because my schedule, like I said, it's very sporadic and there's a lot going on. So having the flexibility, especially when it comes to online classes, there are a lot of really great online offerings here. So having that kind of flexibility makes it to where I haven't had any problems with scheduling. Even as busy as my schedule is, I haven't had any problems scheduling classes because it's been able to work out one way or another, whether it's offered online, it's offered here on campus. Yes, I have this fall semester coming up where I have a full class load, and then the spring it's going to be a little bit lighter, luckily just kind of finishing up a few things here and there. All my professors have been great. I haven't had any bad professors. They've all been awesome. Dr. Sue Ellen McComas has been almost like a mentor to me here as well, helping me understand the field that I'm going into, and not just with the studies that we're doing here, but what to expect beyond and what to expect going into a master's, and help me really understand the coursework in a way that's going to help me later on and not just get me through the course as it is. So I've taken so many classes with Dr. McComas at this point that she's just kind of become my resident professor here on campus. And so she's been very, very helpful and very inspiring, and the wealth of knowledge that I've been able to get from her about the field that I'm going into has just been